Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 20th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Casella Waste Systems, a leading regional solid waste, recycling, and resource management services company. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Casella Waste Systems has just released their fourth quarter and fiscal year 2025 results, along with guidance for 2026. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Casella Waste Systems reported a net revenue of $469.1 million for the fourth quarter, which is a 9.7% increase compared to the same period last year. For the full fiscal year 2025, revenue reached $1.837 billion. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by acquisitions and sustained price growth in both collection and disposal services. Despite the impressive revenue increase, the net income for the fiscal year was $7.9 million, down from $13.5 million in 2024. However, the adjusted EBITDA for the quarter was $107 million, up 12.7% from the previous year, indicating strong operational performance.
EPS forecast and actual performance. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 22 cents for the quarter. However, Casella reported an adjusted EPS of 30 cents. Despite this, the company posted a net loss of $2.5 million for the quarter. What are your thoughts on this, John?
The adjusted EPS of 30 cents exceeded the forecast, which is a positive sign. However, the net loss was primarily due to higher depreciation and amortization expenses related to acquisition growth. This highlights the cost pressures the company is facing despite its revenue growth.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Casella Waste Systems has been active on the acquisition front, acquiring 9 businesses in fiscal year 2025. How has this impacted their operational efficiencies, and what does the future outlook look like?
The acquisitions have significantly contributed to their revenue growth and operational efficiencies, as seen in the adjusted free cash flow of $179.9 million for 2025. Looking ahead, the company has provided a revenue guidance of $1.970 billion to $1.990 billion for 2026, with an adjusted EBITDA range of $455 million to $465 million. This indicates a strong growth trajectory.
CEO's vision and strategic initiatives. Edmond R. Coletta, the CEO of Casella Waste Systems, has shared his vision for the company. Can you tell us more about his strategic initiatives?
Coletta emphasized the success of their acquisition integrations and the importance of geographic expansion. He also highlighted the company's focus on investing in their people and fostering a culture of safety, innovation, and accountability. This strategic direction is aimed at strengthening their foundation for future growth.